In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get Opay virtual card. So let's say you already have your physical card with you, or you don't have, but you need a card as soon as possible. Maybe you want to pay for something online and you don't have any card with you. The next option that you can actually go for is Opay virtual, because it's actually instant and you don't have to wait for anything at all you just have to do is just to apply for Opay virtual card and you will get it as soon as possible. So how to go about it is just open your Opay app. Then if you look down below on the cards right here, so you can click on it, then it's gonna show just like this. So you can see there's a section for virtual card and there's a section for physical card. So I have both virtual card and physical card. So you can also see show details, you can see manage card, you can see manage dispute and change card design. So it's all different options, but for you that you don't have a virtual card before, all you just have to do, you see create a virtual card instead of manage card. So once you see create virtual card, then click on it and follow the prompt on how to create a virtual card. It's free, you don't have to pay anything, and you can use the virtual card just the same way you can actually use the physical card online. But you know, this is a virtual card, you cannot actually have the physical ATM with you, but you can actually use it to buy stuff online like Jumia and then the other African website that actually support Valve card, because they're gonna give you a Valve card, and you know international website might not actually accept Valve card. So once you get this and the website you actually want to use it for actually accept Valve card, you can then use it to make a purchase online. You can also create your pin, which of course it's gonna pop up, and then you can follow the prompt while you create your own virtual card on Opay.